Hi, my name's Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Today we're going to talk about the 7 red flags of hiring a mobile mechanic. I got my notes over here, so let's do this together. Number 1, when they show up, and if you are in doubt if they are even a business, ask them for their business license. By law, which I think is all 50 states, you have to produce those credentials. If they get offended or they cannot produce it, do not hire them. You're hiring somebody from off the street. You don't know what their background is. When we show up, we are actually an LLC. An LLC is, you can literally go online and see the state corporation website and verify if they are an LLC, to whom the LLC is in their name, and if it's even valid. Number 2, when they show up, what is your first impressions? What is their uniform? It is some dirty t-shirt? Is it a uniform that looks professional because they are professional? I wouldn't want you to come to my house doing absolutely anything if you don't have a uniform on. When we show up, we have a matching uniform. Even our shoes match. Every single thing matches. First impressions. You cannot get a second chance on first impressions. Number 3, their paperwork. Did they produce something that came out of Walmart? Or they made it up on Google and printed it out? Or is it professional? When we do our paperwork, we're going to come up to you with a tablet, which is going to be an iPad. We actually use a website that does all of our documentation, that does the customer's information, the car's information, and where we get our labor prices from. Everything is printed out. There's nothing that we do that's handwritten. To us, that's unprofessional. In our description of this video, you'll see all the stuff that our businesses use and been using for years to get us where we're at now. Number 4, check out their reviews. Craigslist, I don't care where you found them at. Check out their reviews. Find out what people are saying about them. Of course, if there's 10 reviews, there's going to be one bad review. You can't do anything about that. You can't satisfy everybody. But what is the majority of the reviews saying about this person? And is the reviews actually saying them by name? Which that means the customer really put more thought into it than just hitting some stars. We have over 90-something reviews. They speak for themselves. We don't have to upsell ourselves or sell ourselves. It just speaks for itself. And before you hire that person, make sure you do the reviews on them. Number 5, what is their tool setup? Does it look like they got the cheapest tools in the world? I actually had customers who actually said some of the mobile mechanics actually asked them for tools. If you don't have tools to do your business, why are you even doing it? And whatever tools you don't have, because you can't walk around every tool in the whole world, especially mobilely, you can rent them out. First impressions go a long way. Number 6, how does their vehicle look? The stigma is their car is worse than yours. Sounds worse, looks worse, and is worse. Why would you fix my car if your car looks like garbage? You want their car or their vehicle to be sound, not smoking, not shaking, not doing some weird stuff, worse off than yours. If they can't get theirs right, how are they going to get yours right? I don't care how busy they are, you got to take care of your foundation, which is your vehicle. There's no getting around that. And are they showing up with a car or a vehicle that's not even designed to do whatever it is? That means they're starting off. They don't have the experience or the finances to get theirself a vehicle. We have F-150s with $3,000 toolboxes, 3 or 4 toolboxes in each one of the trucks. Number 7, what is their business attitude? Are they talking to you like you're on the street or they're your friend? No, they should be talking to you in a business attitude and manner. Their demeanor should be business. You're there for business. You're there not to make friends or be chumsy and all that good stuff. You want somebody who's about their business and is going to treat you accordingly. Because if they're not about their business, they're going to not treat you that way. And guarantee you when it's time for warranty or an issue, they're going to be nowhere to be found. Number 8, trust your gut feeling. When I have anybody to do any work in the house that I live in or do any work for me, period, I go by the gut feeling first. Any salesman, anybody I'm around, I go by my gut feeling. And if I feel comfortable, then I can proceed from there. If I have a gut feeling that something isn't right, well, 9 times out of 10, something is not right. With that being said, you want someone that's going to make you feel safe. Someone that's going to make you feel that they can fix the issue that you hired them for. And they're not going to cause more issues or more problems. You don't want that. Number 9, before they show up, ask them over the phone, what is your experience? You don't want somebody who just got out of school. I personally was in the military. I personally, in the military and the civilian sector, have over 32 years of what I do. So I'm not going to come to you second guessing myself or come to you with some kind of YouTube knowledge. All mechanics who are professionals use all data and software like that. You don't know everything. You will never know anything. Everything changes every 6 months, sometimes even sooner than that. But the main thing, what is their experience? Their experience will also equate to their confidence. If they are confident, that means they got great experience. They know what they're doing. And if they don't know, they're going to do all data research and all data research and whatever needs to be done, but they're going to get your problem resolved. But if they don't have any experience, you're just an experiment on your car, and I don't think you're going to like the results. That's why I say look at their vehicle. Number 10, the real good question is, what is your warranty? And also, whatever they say, do they put it in black and white? When we come up to you, we're going to hand you a tablet to fill out some pertinent information that goes with our software. You're going to get an estimate. You're going to know everything up front. When we get done, we're going to print out an invoice. On our invoice, it literally has what our warranty is. On our website, which is public knowledge and is completely out there, also has what our warranty and our policies are. So if you have an issue, it literally will tell you exactly what you need to do. It will answer most of all your questions. If they do not have a warranty or they cannot put it in writing and they're just talking, don't believe anything they say. Always have whatever they say in writing. After we get done with the customer, we ask them to come to our vehicle. We actually print out an invoice, a full-size invoice to them, and it has all their information. We ask them to check it over, make sure everything is correct, the price, the name, everything, before we hit print. Once we print it, we hand it to the customer. 1 copy goes to the customer and 1 copy goes to us. So if your mobile mechanic that is showing up doesn't have any of these items, you should really run if you want something done right the first time. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and hit that share button. Thank you.